Hi there, Mark here again. Today we've come down to the local park, West Medic Park, where you can probably see they're doing a load of refurbishment. It's looking like it's going to be a good playground for us with the RC cars, hopefully in the future, but we're going to make use of it for the first run of this Kyosho Scorpion. Beautiful retro buggy that was donated, or a gift from Barry's RC dump. Thanks, Baz. And yeah, we're going to find out how it goes. It's got really supple suspension, see how that goes, and it's got a lovely ladder aluminium chassis. And yeah, I'll give it a run and see what I think of it at the end. Did you get that off this time?
I did, yeah.
Right, let me just put the controller down. Well, Alf and I have both had a blast on this, haven't we, Alf?
Yeah.
And what do you reckon, dude?
It's absolutely wicked, isn't it?
Absolutely fantastic, I've got to say. Old style, retro, whatever you want to call it. The old chassis. This thing handles a dream, doesn't it?
Yep.
The super soft suspension, as you've seen, works beautiful. It's so smooth, isn't it? It's quiet, it's smooth, it's responsive.
It sounds quite nice as well, doesn't it?
It sounds lovely. Luckily we haven't worn these tyres out too much. I think I'll put these aside now and keep them safe. But yeah, my recommendation for this is, if you haven't got one of these, it's well worth the money, I've got to say. So thanks again, Barry, for letting me have this opportunity. We both have had a great time with this, haven't we, mate?
Yep.
So anyway, Thanks for watching, and hope to catch you on the next one. Bye.
See ya.